After watching this video, your perception of the AI world is bound to change completely. AI. This video is going to be extremely important for those who are using AI to perform various categories of work. Google recently unleashed its powerful weapon into the field, Gemini 3 Pro. It has already created a global stir, and it is completely free. The whole world is saying that it will transform the AI landscape. It's being said that Gemini 3 Pro has arrived to end the reign of ChatGPT. But wait, we don't believe in just the hype. We are going to test this model to see how deep its capabilities actually go. Is this just Google's marketing, or is it truly the beginning of a new era? To find out the answer, keep your eyes on the video until the end. Let's uncover the truth practically. I'm sharing important updates about Gemini 3 Pro with you. Now, let's look at some demos of Google AI Studio created by the Google team. We will go directly to Google AI Studio. After arriving, you need to click on Build. After clicking Build, you will go straight to the gallery. Once in the gallery, look here, Beautiful Landing Page. The Google team has created some landing pages here. We will see how to create this landing page. So let's see how this landing page is built now. After coming to the gemini.google.com site, select the Think with Gemini 3 Pro option from this first arrow section. By clicking on Tools, we must select the Canvas option. Here, you will write some prompts describing the category of website you want to create. After writing, click on Tools and select the Canvas. After selecting Canvas, click Submit. Look, the coding to create our website has already started for us.
You can get website ideas simply by using one prompt, and you are even getting the code here. Look, our site is ready. A landing page for AIIT guy. Very easily, it has beautifully created a landing page. This is the logo. Here, it has used a slogan, Stop Learning, Start Growing. Look here. What beautiful buttons it has created, and they are animated. Look how nicely it's built. And it has even included the course prices here. At the very end, look, it has also provided a nice About Us section. If you go to the Code section, you will also get the source code. So if you want, you can use this code to set up a site like this. This was the website demo, showing that we can create a landing page using just one prompt. Next, look here. So we won't watch that right now. We will go directly to 3D Workspace or Voxel Art. Before looking at Voxel Art, let's see some more demos. We've come back directly to Gemini. After returning to Gemini, we click on Tools and must select the Canvas option. I'm pasting a prompt, create a build colorful snake. I pasted a prompt here to create a snakes and ladders game. And if we click Submit, and use the arrow keys on your keyboard to play. We've easily seen how to create a snake and battle game here as well. You're getting the source code here, and you're also getting the preview. We've come back to Google AI Studio. After that, we will see how this voxel thing can be created. If you explore or try a bit more, you can create many more things according to your preference. For this, we will take an image. If we download this image and come to the Gemini app, after uploading the image, we will write a short prompt. Create a beautiful voxel art scene included by image. Now we click Submit. Look, we're facing a problem here. The issue is that for the prompt or image we provided, it's still generating the previous snake game. Look here. In that case, what can we do? If you face such a problem, you need to. I've opened a new tab for Gemini, and Think is definitely selected. We'll go to Settings, select Canvas, paste the prompt we had, go to the plus icon, and upload the image. After uploading the image, we will click Submit. Now you can see that the voxel art code is being generated. It's showing the name as Voxel Art. The code is already being written. Look, it's using hex color codes, ratios. It's already complete. It's showing an error. We've very easily created a 3D-related game canvas. A 3D game canvas, like Voxel Art, has been created here. We actually wrote a very short prompt, so in this way, you can do it your way. The output here isn't actually that great. Still, we're using the free version of Gemini. If you use the Pro version, your output will be even better. Look, this is Voxel Art. Voxel Art is used for kids' games. So these were some fantastic features of Gemini 3 Pro today that we explored. You can do this even better if you try, and you will understand it more clearly.